Hello everyone, in today's video I'll demonstrate the process of how to invest on Revolut. So to invest on Revolut, follow these steps. Open the Revolut app and on the down bar tap on Invest. Then go on Add Money to select the capital that you will be available to invest. Choose the currency you wish to use. For example, if you want to add funds in Euro, select Euro and enter the amount. Then, once your account is funded, click on Trade. This section allows you to browse and invest in various stocks available on Revolut. Let's say you want to buy Nordea Bank ABP shares. Click on it and you'll see detailed information including statistics and ratios. Click on Buy and decide the amount you want to invest in Euro or dollars or the currency that you prefer. You can purchase a specific dollar amount or buy shares directly. Note that share-based buy orders are available when the market is closed, so you might need to wait until it reopens. Then, click on the blue Market Order button in the top right corner to choose your order type. You can select from a market order, recurring buy, limit orders, or stop order. By following these steps, you can efficiently invest in stocks on Revolut. Thanks for watching.